If you need to migrate email to Hostinger, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and safe way. Whether you're moving to a new Hostinger email account or transferring messages from another provider, this guide will help you complete the migration without confusion. And before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Hostinger and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Emails. This is where you'll find all of your email-related tools and settings. After that, select Email Import from the left menu. This section is specifically designed for bringing email data from one account into another. Now click New Email Import Request. This will begin the setup process for your migration. Hostinger will ask you to enter the source email details, which are the account you want to import from. Click Next Step to continue. In the next screen, enter the Import From details carefully. This usually includes the email account ID, the password for that account, and the IMAP server name. Make sure all of this information is correct, because if anything is typed incorrectly, the migration may fail or not connect properly. If you're not sure about your IMAP server name, check with your current email provider before proceeding. After that, Hostinger will ask for the Import To details. This is the destination email account where your messages will be moved. Enter the email account ID and password for your Hostinger mailbox. Again, take your time here and double-check everything before moving forward. Once you finish entering those details, the next step will show you a summary of the import request. This is your chance to review everything carefully. Look over the source account, destination account, and server details to make sure they are all correct. If something looks wrong, go back and fix it now before starting the import. When everything looks good, click Start. Hostinger will begin importing the emails for you. In most cases, the process only takes a few minutes, depending on how many emails you have and how large the mailbox is. You don't need to keep editing anything while it runs, just let it complete the transfer. After the import finishes, check your Hostinger inbox to make sure the emails arrive successfully. Open a few messages to confirm that the content, folders, and attachments transferred as expected. If you don't see everything right away, give it a little time and refresh the mailbox. And that's it. You've now learned how to migrate email to Hostinger using the built-in email import process. It's a simple method that can save you a lot of time when moving accounts or consolidating your inbox. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger guides and easy how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.